Hello guys, here it is at Pacha Resort. Now I'm heading to the area where we have the river. Yeah, you can add the salts of the river. Yeah, let me follow this path so that I can reach. You can see the people are there. They are enjoying the scenic view of the river and listening. Yeah, it is a place where people they come, they relax, they enjoy even the moment. Yeah, come along with me. Hello guys, yeah, you can see. Yeah, these are my group members. They are enjoying the moment. They are so happy. They are taking photographies, pictures there. Yeah, enjoying the moments here at the river. Even you can see the resort has already constructed a place where people they can just come relax while they are adding to the breezes of the river. You can check. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, then you can see the resort has already shown restriction here. You can see, like for example, in this area, you can see this it is a water which is flowing, but it looks like a dam and a deep one. Yeah, but they have restricted that strictly no swimming, so it means that the client they are not supposed to swim at this area. Yeah, you can see. So because of two reasons. Yeah, I think one, it is because the reason one, it is an area which is a depth. Then inside of the nini there is a lot of stones, so it is to avoid the cases of accidents. Yeah, you can check. Yeah, so guys, let's continue exploring here. Yeah, you can see like this one. Yeah, he has opted to relax and listen to the breeze. Yeah, enjoy the breeze of the area. People are taking pictures, very busy taking pictures, you can see. Yeah. Yeah, it is a nice process. You can add the sounds of the water flowing. Yeah. You? Yeah.
Follow me.
I got live.
Niko live.
Ako live, amesema nyesha vizuri. Hebu mwambie smile.
Hiki gaga tumeza kwa kali.
Wazimu.